Look like you've been out in the sun.
I feel exhausted.
I mean, we have been out in the sun, so hi. Alright, so we got these things.
We're back.
Clearly.
I like them, so I bought more. I was gonna get more, but then I decided to get gel pens instead, so we have two different ones. I think one is just more girly orientated, and the other one is just basic. So, do you want pink or purple?
I want the basic.
This one's very jiggly.
Do you like that though?
This one is heavier.
Chances are you're gonna end up with what I get anyway. Unless I really, really want it. So, these are from the same company.
Yeah, Zuru.
That must be her tribe.
This one has puppies and ponies and kitties and mermaids.
Of course it
all
does.
over it. I was gonna also get two each of the unicorn and the dinosaur, but I decided not to. Maybe someday, but not right now.
I am not peeling this with ease. I feel like I should be slightly better because we did open the other ones not too long ago, but I think I opened up this one worse. Still very satisfying.
Mine's coming off in a clean line, it's just not in one piece.
Well, I mean, at this rate, after our long day, does it really matter?
No.
So, I do know how to open it this time, but in case they didn't, whenever you're good, will you explain it again? And it was a filler, a treat for this channel, because
Hi,
he's
Keo.
rarely here. Keo's joined. Hi, buddy.
Keo doesn't mind love. Everybody else does, basically.
Hi, bud.
What's going on, Mom?
He's a wild and dangerous cat.
Very wild. Very dangerous. Just, if you want us to do him, just give him a blanket.
Or treats.
Or cuddles. He has to come to any of those three.
Alright. Thank you, bud. Thank you.
I'm just...
Do you need help? It's been a long day. Yeah, you got it? Okay. So kindly explain to them again how you open it in case they missed it.
Okay, so basically if you haven't seen these before, they look like a giant orange, and you have two axes of the circumference of the circle, if I remember geometry correctly, which I probably don't. I think I blocked all that out of my brain.
I don't blame you.
So there's a flat side, and there's a side with this little tab that you pull, and it'll release all of the hemispheres, I guess. You can put these back on if you want to display them. It's up to you. I have done it. Sarah did it, but then took it apart again.
Yep.
It's like a pink orange. I think I'm going to go for one of the big ones first, because last time it had the checklist in it.
Okay, well, I don't think this has a checklist, unless this is the checklist.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so I did find the checklist as well. What in the world is this? I love how I'm like, I'm gonna go for the one that's not that girly. Oh, Tiffany. I think they're from the same company.
Huh.
Okay, well, what did you get?
So there, you could get ponies, thermo change mermaids, butterfly rings, brushes and combs, badges, cute pets, thermo change plants, dress up princesses, highlighters, key pens, markers, and glitter glue pens, stickers, silly bands. Oh my god.
Yeah, ours are different because mine doesn't have writing on mine.
Hair clips and bands, stamps, gem beads. Maybe you have gems in here because
Maybe.
kind of sounded shaky. Shaky? I know what I meant.
I know what you mean.
Shoe keychains and ice cream keychains.
Looks like I get fairies, woodland animals, some sort of ring, some weird ice cream people.
This house is absolutely gorgeous.
Hamsters, bracelets, stickers, princesses and mermaids, plant animal creature hybrid things. Those eraser tidbit type things. Keychains, bows, clips,
The bows
rings,
are really cute. Do I
and
have bows in
stamps.
mine? I do have bows in mine.
I did get a stamp that says 5 surprise. I'm gonna stamp it on your forehead.
Here, you can test it on the paper.
Sure! If I can get the thing out, that'd be great.
I got a pony! And they have little suction cups on their feet.
I'm gonna end up fighting with this thing to get it open, I fear.
Ooh. So it comes with a little pony. I got a little teal and pink one. And it came with an orange bow that you can take out. So I imagine if you get more than one pony, you can change the color of the bow on it. It's a strawberry. It's not a very good strawberry.
I feel like I can't get the rest of it off. It did leave a tiny bit of a strawberry on it. Don't know how well you can see it. But it's strawberry nonetheless. I mean, I wouldn't really advise that. I'm gonna move on to my next one. Which I think I'm gonna do this thin one. What in the world are you?
Slime.
Which was not on the paper that I just got.
Panda tattoo, maybe? No, it is just instructions.
It's considered putty. Wash hands to clean before and after use of this product. Just stop. It's fine.
I got it.
It's fine, Tiffany. So I got some, like, slime, perhaps putty. I don't recall seeing that on my list of potential items. Then again, I could be wrong.
It's very dry.
Did I miss slime / putty? I don't see it on my list at all.
Oh my god, Sarah.
What? What?
What do those look like to you?
Oh my goodness, they look like tiny diamond paintings, but those have to be super small then. Open up your second thing.
Nope.
So I got mystery slime. That's good, I think.
I like my little pony.
What did you get? What did you get?
Yes.
Princess or pen.
I got a hair clip.
Well, you
It's sparkly butterfly.
like hair clips. You wear them a lot more than I do. Okay. Gonna save this big one for last. Yes. You're gonna want it.
An animal.
Nope.
Marker.
Something else you can write with.
Give me my paper.
Let's get the paper so you can test it. Does it smell?
I don't think so.
Can't smell anything either. So we just...
Works a lot better than the stamp.
Yeah.
Don't mind all the other writing. I don't know. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say I couldn't find my whole thing.
These seem to be a little bit harder than the mini brands to open up.
Guess.
Slime.
Mm-mm.
Is it a keychain?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
It's a little ice cream. It's like a pistachio ice cream.
Maybe mint?
Cute.
Let's open this one together.
Okay.
I mean, cute, but I'm never gonna actually be able to use it.
I don't even think I could use it.
Jaylyn might have a small enough finger for this ring. Maybe.
I got another marker.
Oh, well, you love markers. Add it to your collection. Does it
Yep,
right?
that's a yellow marker.
Yes. And last but certainly not least, the big one. Which for me is a disappointment. I got a mushroom person thing. So knockoff Toad and Flower Pot.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah, I like Toad. I like Mario, so I'll count it as that. I don't think it's a diamond painting. I'm gonna guess a bracelet.
I got a plant in a pot too.
Oh no! I mean, yours is cuter. So overall, would you do this one again? Or would you do something different?
I like these. I think it's fun.
Yeah, but I'm talking about this brand. This girly one again.
Maybe.
You just want to try and get a tiny diamond painting, don't you?
Yes.
I think you have to get one more of these then. Because this one seems to be a little bit different than the other one. Okay. Bye.
Wait.
Wait?
Favorite thing?
Oh. I guess Toad.
Pony.
I have no idea if they can see you because I'm trying to. Least favorite thing.
Flower.
Stamp of sadness.
You can have it to go with your toad.
Okay. Bye.